Welcome. This is your time to release the day. Find a comfortable position in your bed or wherever you feel completely supported. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out every bit of tension. One more deep breath. Inhale peace. Exhale the weight of today. Now simply allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. There is nothing to do, nothing to fix, nowhere else to be, only this peaceful moment. Feel your body becoming heavier with every breath. Relax your forehead, relax your eyes, allow your jaw to soften. Release any tension in your neck. Let your shoulders gently melt downward. Feel relaxation flowing through your arms, into your hands, and all the way to your fingertips. Take another slow breath. Feel your chest becoming lighter. Relax your stomach. Allow every muscle around your abdomen to soften. Feel your hips relaxing, your thighs becoming heavy, your knees releasing tension, your calves relaxing completely. Now your feet, every toe, completely at ease. Your entire body is now calm, comfortable, safe, supported. Imagine a peaceful moonlit sky above you. Soft silver light surrounds your entire body. Every breath fills you with peaceful energy. Every exhale releases worry, stress, pressure, and overthinking. Allow your mind to become as quiet as a still lake beneath the stars. Thoughts may come, thoughts may go. There is no need to follow them. Simply notice them and gently return to your breathing. Each breath carries you deeper into relaxation. Now think back over your day. Instead of focusing on what remains unfinished, remember one beautiful moment. Perhaps someone smiled at you. Perhaps you helped another person. Perhaps you simply showed up and did your best. Take a moment to appreciate yourself. Quietly repeat after me. I did enough today. I am grateful for this day. I release everything I cannot control. I deserve deep and peaceful rest. I forgive myself completely. Tomorrow is a new beginning. Now imagine yourself floating on a soft cloud. The cloud gently carries you across a peaceful night sky. Everything feels light. Everything feels safe. Every breath relaxes your body even more. Sleep is naturally coming closer. Your heart is calm. Your mind is peaceful. Your body knows exactly how to rest. Repeat these affirmations slowly. I am peaceful. I am safe. I am deeply relaxed. My body heals while I sleep. My mind restores while I sleep. I welcome deep, restful sleep. I wake tomorrow refreshed. I wake tomorrow energized. I wake tomorrow with gratitude. Take one final slow breath in. Hold it gently and slowly breathe out. Allow yourself to drift naturally into peaceful sleep. There is nothing left to do. Only rest, only peace, only sleep. Sweet dreams.